All right, we are here at Lake X. I'm gonna get out in the water and do some fishing until it's time to head to camp and meet up with Bainbridge bass fishing. We've never met before, so this is gonna be kind of cool. Yeah, just met over Instagram and he's local to me, so yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, we're out on Lake X now. I was originally going to pursue some bass first, but I saw a ton of commotion out here on Main Lake. I'm assuming they're trout. So I got the spinner tied on. And I'm just fan casting around, hoping for a bite. There's one. I actually paused it. Feels like a little guy. Oh. Easy. Alright guys, nice rainbow. Off like a bullet. It's coming up. Yeah, that's a good one. Well, there he goes. I missed him. Oh. There's a good one. Let you come up. There you go. God damn. Lake X grows them good. Easy, easy, easy. Feisty, feisty fish. There he goes. Oh, right at the boat. That was so sick, guys. Right at the boat. Good net. He is full of it. Let's get you coming back my way, homeboy. There we go. Yep, you're ready. Another quality rainbow, guys. Like a gunshot. God, I don't think anything's gonna beat that last eat. He ate that thing right here. And y'all saw him come out of the water. Bump. Bump. There's... Oh boy. Yep. And then he just came off. Didn't break off, just came off. That was a big boy. That was a big boy. There's one. Hooked. Boom. Done. Off he goes. Alright, I just tied on a weighted wacky rig. Little weedless weighted wacky rig. I think it's by Mustad. So we're going to try this out today, see how it works. Well, I was trolling for a trout. This little guy came out of nowhere. Not what I was looking for. Well, I mean, it was a minute ago, but... Quality fish. Down he goes. Yes, that was a good one. Come on, drag. Come on. Man, feisty. This little spinner is doing work. this is fun. It's one of my favorite bites to get on, guys. Trout on spinners. Probably the smallest one of the day, to be honest. Go. Ooh. We are hooked up to a good one, folks. He did not like seeing the boat. This fish is full of it. I cannot believe this right now. Golly. That's a porker. That's a porker right there. That's the biggest one of the day. God, you're thick, girl. Oh, yeah. We're going to end on that note, guys. Get Big Booty Becky back in here. What a tank. Sweet. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. Like I said, that's like my favorite bite to get on, so to do that at one of my favorite lakes doesn't get much better. And they're still busting out there. It's all right. I'm gonna get packed up, get the yak loaded up, and get to a campsite. We'll see you there. All right, we are back at campsite number 8. I am a creature of habit, that is for sure. Well, we still got a lot of daylight left, so I might do a little exploring. But before that, I need to get something to eat. A little something. All right, so now I'm just cutting up some kindling for the fire tonight. Got my start there. Got myself a nice can of soup tonight that I'm gonna have for dinner. Yeah. All right, so I got the fire going. This is what dinner's gonna be. Good old chicken corn chowder. Just throw that on that grate once the fire burns. Take this, throw it on the grate once that fire burns down a little bit. Let it come up to a boil. Be good to go. All right, well, we're sitting here waiting for that soup to finish. I thought we might as well go through mystery tackle box. I got this in the mail today. Haven't really gone through it too much, so bear with me. Y'all, hopefully you can see. So let's get into this box. As usual, we've got the dibble card. tips and tricks from MTB, word search and whatnot. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at this right here. We'll go over soft plastics first. So these are from Biospawn. These are new this year. The EXO ribbon in 7-inch. I do believe they make a longer one. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are in a pretty killer color. I'm not quite sure what it's called. Red shad. There we go. Take a good look at those. Might put these to use tomorrow. Rig them up with these Mustad 5-aught hooks that came with the box as well. Oh boy, from Arbogast we have the Jitterbug. This is a classic, guys. It walks back and forth like that. It's a pretty cool bait. Maybe we'll throw it tomorrow. Although I really don't even want to open it. Kind of just want to put it up on my wall. Anyways, next. We've got a bucktail chatterbait from Z-Man. That's great for up here in the north. You know, a lot of guys do throw bucktails. Bucktail jigs, bucktail chatterbaits like this. So, you know, if the conditions are right tomorrow, we'll give this guy a go. Rounding out hard baits here from Booyah, we've got the Flex 2. This is a 5 to 7 foot diving square bull crankbait. Pretty cool color pattern on there. They call that Bobo Craw. So from Booyah, we got the Flex 2. Dinner's almost done. From Big Bite Baits, these guys have been a regular in my MTB boxes for a while now, so I'm pretty used to seeing them in the boxes. Anyways, looks like we've got some paddle tail swim baits in a like a lemon pepper color. I don't know what you call that. Either way, those look pretty juicy. Lastly, from Z-Man, we've got the TRD Craws. Oh boy, what's going on? They call this greasy prawn color. So you're gonna throw these up on a Ned rig probably. Yeah, Ned rig or turd rig, TRD. Okay. I think we can work with almost all of this tomorrow. We'll give it a shot, no promises. I'm really stoked about this. This is probably this and this right here are probably the highlight of the box for me. Good to go. All right, now that we did that, I'm gonna go eat my dinner because I think it's ready. This stuff smells so good. Chicken corn chowder. And check this out, I've had this for years now, and it's come in handy multiple times. It's from CRKT, excuse me, Columbia River Knife and Tool. It came as a package, some kind of survival package, but anyways, it's a spoon, bottle opener. It's got a 6 and 8 and a 10 mil wrench on there, but it's kind of cool the way this thing comes into play when you're eating out of a can. Check it out. So you got your can of soup, you're digging away in there, you're eating, you want to take a break, you want to set it down, it just hooks right into there. I don't know, it's the small things for me, guys. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna eat this. Alright, y'all, well, I'm trying to get tied up here, trying to figure out what to throw tomorrow. We're fishing a lake that I've never personally fished. Clear water, hard bottom, sounds good. So I'm just trying to think, natural presentation, stuff like that. So I'll let you know what I get tied on. Okay, so I've got a weighted, weedless, wacky rig tied on one. I've got a swim jig with a Kraken craw as the trailer on number 2. And on the third one, I have got tied on a white and silver spinnerbait. So I think that's going to work for tomorrow. We'll see. I'll probably change it up when we get to the lake. You know how that goes. But I think that's about all I'm going to film tonight, unless something interesting happens. Bainbridge bass fishing should be here at the campsite sometime. So stoked to meet him. Stoked to fish with them tomorrow. It'll be good. Alright. Morning, y'all. It's another beautiful day here in Washington State. We are here at a lake, a new lake to me. I'm here with Bainbridge Bass Fishing, Jake. His name is Jake as well. And I'm gonna get off my ass and help him get unloaded. Oh, this looks juicy right here.
Wait.
Little something.
There's a dollar.
Right? Chatter donkey. Let him eat it. Let him eat it. Thought I had something toying with it. No, no. Nope, nope, nope.
This back's gonna have to take a little deeper.
This one?
Yep.
You got him?
Yeah. Well, you can shake yourself off there, bud.
Hey, first fish of the day.
Little dude.
Yeah. Off he goes. You're right about them rocks.
Yeah. We both got bit right there, huh?
Yeah. On that?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. Decent looking guy.
Yeah. First good fish of the day.
Oh, yeah. Let him go.
Nice, dude.
I think I need to tighten the drag a little bit, because that was maybe a pound and she ripped. Oh, he did. Tiny little bait.
Oh, that's pretty. Give me your face.
You got me in the finger. Oh, we're good.
The other one.
Little dude. Check out the colors.
Gorgeous.
Super pretty little dude.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
Hit it like a trout. That's how. This might be a trout. Hit it and just tweak.
Oh, I see some bass. Ooh, did you see that?
He's following it all the way. Is that a trout or a bass?
I couldn't tell.
I dropped my sinker right where I left it.
Yep.
Oh, trout. Trout.
Oh, is it a trout?
Smoking it. You see that shit?
What?
Yeah. Come on, eat it. Eat it, I'll eat you. That's the deal. You eat the Senko, catch and trade.
That's nuts, dude.
I have a cast master in the bag. I can just drop it down there like this.
Yeah.
Thanks for the net job.
Hell yeah. Oh, I got the big camera for this.
I won't let him go yet.
Hell yes, dude. Good fish.
Woo. Whoa. Good one. That's right here.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. That was the best one of the day.
Yep.
That was probably. That was a good one.
Pound and a half.
Pound and a half, probably. A little less than 2.
Jake's on again.
Like that in the Kitech. Oh, check this out.
Yeah.
You wanted that.
Sick, dude.
Belly to crankbait if they're eating that up here. That's sick.
Well, Jake and Jake just doubled up.
These snags into the net.
All right, we just doubled up on 2 bass. Let's take a quick look at them, and we're gonna set them and let them go.
First one, number 1. Number 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, that was the first fish I've caught on this rod and reel.
Was that your first bait casting fish?
Yes, it was.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it was.
Oh yeah.
Fucking-
Different. It's different. It takes a big one to pull drag.
Yeah, he just kind of like loaded into it, and it was it was different. And they hold up.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Yeah.
The Kitechs are just like Gary Yamamoto, though. You get better action with the soft bait.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Chunk.
Yep. Jake hooked up with another solid bass.
Nice little dude.
Probably 2-pounder.
Go. See ya. Oh, sweet.
Nice fish, dude.
Nobody watches those videos anymore.
Ain't nobody watching those videos anyway. So it is all good. Hey guys, home now. Thought I'd come on here and close out this video. I didn't do a very good job. Actually, I did a piss poor job of introducing Jake, the gentleman who was kind enough to take me fishing in his John boat. Shout out to you, dude. We're definitely going to be doing some more collaborations together. And I'm going to keep pestering him to start a YouTube channel. So, it was a great time out there. New lake, never fished there before. Good conditions, and I definitely want to go back. Definitely want to go back and beat up those bass a little bit more. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.